Welcome guys, today I have for you a Kent model KGS 615 AHD. This machine is wired for 440 volts and we'll just get started with our hydraulics. So when the machine's on, you want this lever to be pointing down. That closes our hydraulics to the table. Then from there, depending on what setting you're at, you could just go ahead and start the hydraulics. From there, you can open it up. This also changes the speed, so you can make it go slower or faster depending on what you want. We got the dogs right here that are adjustable to whatever stroke you want. Just close that up for our purposes. The two hand wheels right here. This is going to be the your table right here. And then this is going to be the in and out as well. You have up and down with this hand wheel right here. You could change your feed rate with this knob over here. And you also have our dresser. With the pull of that lever downwards, it will feed in. And then if you point it up, it will go backwards. This is going to be the feed rate for it. We'll get our spindle going, and we're just going to start off with our longitudinal traverse right now. You will have to press which direction you want it to go in. The hand wheel does disengage, so it doesn't spin around, but it is feeding out to our desired feed. You program it with these two buttons and a combination of these two other settings. As you can see, once we're going in, the light is engaged, and when we go out, this light will engage. Right now I have it set for 6 passes total. You can change this number with our little keypad right here, up and down. So once it hits all the way to the back, the number will change and it will down feed. So for this purpose, I will bring it down right now. I'll restart it and change it to just 2 passes this time around, and I will demonstrate the spark out aspect of it. With all of our settings like this, let me get our coolant going for you as well. The coolant tank is in the back. It does have a magnetic separator along with a rake. But with the settings that I got everything in right now, when we finish our spark out cycle and everything, every one of these settings will turn off. Right in the middle right here, you see that we do have the variable magnetic chuck controller. With this knob, you can bring it down or up, and it also has the DMAG setting if you flip the switch over to the left. So it is doing its spark out right now. There's a switch right up here. You can change it from 1 or 2 or 0. Right now I just have it to a quick 1. And just like that, the machine will also rise the head a little bit along with park everything as long as it's in these specific settings. So real quick, I will just bring it over to the regular traverse setting for you and start everything up. Again, before you start the hydraulics, that handle needs to be in the down position. And we could go ahead and start everything up. When we're ready to go, just open this up. And you can see our number change every pass that we have. We're at 4 passes now. I did set it real quick. So right now we're in the spark out. And it should park itself just like that. I will demonstrate that just one more time. So when you're ready, again, just go ahead, open that up, and it will start to do its job. Machine does also have, I mentioned the coolant tank already. It does have the hydraulics sitting in the back as well. And yeah, that basically sums it up for this Kent right here. Again, this is going to be the Kent KGS, excuse me one second, KGS 615 AHD, wired for 440 volts. Thank you.